Start recording the screen. First,
my phone.
okay, the GPS turn on. About the phone. Okay. About the phone. Model number. Android version. Planet version. Okay. Now we turn on the GPS, the map, the Google map. Turn on, and we had to see in the left corner up the GPS blinking. The signal of the GPS is blinking.
And the time is 13:42.
And when they get the place, a location for the GPS, it stopped blinking, and it had to be light all the time. In here I push the button, the right button on the location, and it still wait for location. Now we'll wait 2 minutes to see if you had a location. You have to be a location after maximum 1 minute. I'm in open space in the garden. I have nothing between me and the
satellites.
Satellite. And still don't have a location. Again, wait for location.
Now it's 13:44.
Yeah, 1
and
minute.
Still